Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Vishnu Manjipudi, and I am glad that you're here. Today, we will be covering Problem 4 of the 2020 AMC 10B. The problem reads, the acute angles of a right triangle are A degrees and B degrees, where A is greater than B, and both A and B are prime numbers. What is the least possible value of B? So, we have a right triangle. Okay, so here's our triangle, we have a right angle, and we have these two acute angles. So we know we want to find the least possible value of B, where B is one of the acute angles of the right triangle. So what do we know about the acute angles? Well, we know that the sum of all of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So, and we know that the right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So we have that the sum of the acute angles is just 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. So we have that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. We also know that both A and B are prime numbers. What's a prime number? A prime number is a number that has only two divisors, 1 and itself. But to solve this problem, we only need to know the first few prime numbers. So a list of the first 10 prime numbers is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. So we know that A is greater than B. So we can just set B to each of these prime numbers until we get a configuration that has both A and B resulting in prime numbers. So let's start with B equals 2. If B is equal to 2, that means that A is equal to 90 minus B, which is equal to 90 minus 2, or 88 degrees. However, 88 is not prime, as it is divisible by not only 1 and 88, but also 2, 4, 8, and 11. Thus, we can rule out the possibility that B equals 2. Next, we try B equals 3. If B equals 3, A is equal to 90 minus B, or 87 degrees. However, 87 degrees is not prime either, because it is divisible by 3 and 29, as well as 1 and 87. So we can rule out B is equal to 3. Next, we try B is equal to 5. If we do this, A is equal to 90 minus B, which is just 85 degrees. However, 85 is also not prime, because 85 is divisible by 5 and 17, as well as 1 and 85. Thus, we can also rule out 5. Next, however, is 7. And this is where things get more interesting. If B is equal to 7, A is equal to 90 minus 7, which is equal to 83 degrees. However, if we check all of the small prime numbers, we can see that 83 is not divisible by any of them. Thus, we can conclude that 83 is prime, which means that we get that B is equal to 7, and if we look at the answer choices, we see that 7 corresponds to answer choice D. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as well as hitting the bell icon next to the subscribe button. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, or recommendations for the next video, as always, please post them in the comments below. Once again, thank you all so much for watching this video, and this is Vishnu Manjipudi signing off.